What's going on, traders? Welcome to today's insane trading recap. Today is Thursday, January 18th. I've got the S&P 500 queued up here for you, and all I can say is what a day for a comeback. Okay. Because today's trading was wild, today's trading was profitable, but it was also straight up bizarre, and we need to dissect what the heck went on in the market today. All right, so let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action chart of the S&P 500. And yes, you can trade the S&P on any asset class. You can trade it on Forex, on futures, on stocks and options. And of course, what you're seeing overlaid on top of the S&P is our gorgeous volume indicator color band. This indicator absolutely nailed the trend change right over here on what appears to be big volume. And listen, man, if you were trading today, all right, and you were expecting this nice little short trend to just keep going, right, like I was expecting today to be a nice down day, you know, like there's a beautiful retracement that I was lucky enough to catch. I'll come back and show you this setup in just a few, but I was expecting this market to just nicely keep trending down. And if you were like me today, when you saw this volume indicator just, boom, turn green, randomly, without any reason whatsoever on what appears to be huge volume, then you basically spent the rest of the trading session being shocked. Like, what the heck is going on, right? And what I love about this trading indicator, aka the vol, all right, that's what this thing is called, is now I know that whenever it turns green, all right, even though I might be tempted to go short, all right, I never ever go against the color, right? Like so many people here tried to keep shorting it. They got their faces chopped off as this market surged, and I got to be honest and tell you that I was really tempted to go short the S&P as it came back to 4,800, right? But again, what I love about this vol is it always tells you what is the right side of the trend to be on. So I don't dare short the market like so many other goofballs out there are trying to do, right? I'm just going to follow what the vol tells me to do. When it's red, I'm going to look for shorts. When it's green, I'm going to look for longs. But today, I kind of chickened out, man. Like, how many of you guys were too scared to trade the S&P long today, right? I mean, yeah, there was a beautiful retracement right here. So let's talk about this, okay? You guys know what retracements means, right? Like when I call this a perfect retracement trade on the vol, you know what that means, right? Now, some of my customers took this trade, but a majority, I believe, did not. Why? Because just take a look at it, right? It's almost like you're so far away from the trend change, which happened all the way back there. The first opportunity to participate in that trend is all the way up here. I almost feel like you'd be really late to the party. And that's why I think a majority of my customers did not take this retracement trade, even though it met the setup. But for those of my people who did take this trade, Jesus Christ, man, you're already up 3-1. And there's still 15 minutes left to go in the market. The market is still open right now. We got 15 minutes left till the close. So guys, here's the takeaway from this video, man. All right, number one, just trust the volume. That's what this indicator does. When it turns green, as it did here, for no reason at all, right? Like I couldn't find any specific reason, any economic news event, but the trend change happened anyway. The bulls were in control from this moment in time, and don't you dare go against the trend, okay? And takeaway number two, guys, retracements work, man. Like, how does anybody even disagree with me that retracement works? Like, how do you challenge what I'm saying to you on this volume indicator, right? These perfect retracement trades that show up on the vol almost on a daily basis, it seems like they just freaking work. So congrats to all of my people who caught either one of these two trades. There was a beautiful short that I was able to participate in right here. You can see that beautiful retracement right there. This was a setup that happened in the morning session, which I personally love. And for those of you guys that stuck around, you had balls of steel and you felt good about taking this second retracement trade that showed up in the afternoon trading. Congratulations to you, man. I mean, look at this thing knocking on the door of a session high. Who would have thought that? Market's going to close on the session high of the day. So listen, guys, I told you we were going to kill it with trading volume this year. Volume indicator has continued to kick ass even on day 18 of the calendar month. It's a beautiful day to trade. Congrats to everybody who used the volume indicator to crush it, and I'll see you on the next trade. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.